Okay, everyone, let's review what we said in class on Thursday about fact families in addition and subtraction. And one of the ways we can save time is if we already know how to add a set of numbers, then we should also be able to subtract them, sometimes without thinking about it too much. If we know an addition fact, we should be able to use the same numbers to make a subtraction fact. And we call this using our math fact families. So let's take this one here. 6 plus 4 equals 10, which I think we all know. We can use these same numbers to make more math sentences. So we have 6 plus 4 equals 10, but we can also do 4 plus 6 equals 10, because we can add in any order, right? And when we add in any order, we call that the commutative property. That's right. So look, we have our 6's, we have our 4's, and our 10's. The addends are the same, they're just in different order, and of course the sum is the same. Now, we don't stop here, because we can also make subtraction problems. 10 minus 4 equals 6. We've learned this fact. And 10 minus 6 equals 4. And there are the 10's and our 4's and our 6's. So here we have 4 math sentences, 4 math problems, but we're using the same 3 numbers for all of them. Now let's practice. Let's see if we can make 2 math problems using 4, 4, and 8. And why is this special? Right, because we're dealing with doubles. We have a doubles fact here. So we can do 4 plus 4 equals 8, or 8 minus 4 equals 4. Okay, so this is another fact family. Let's try another one. And if you want to answer before I give it away, you can just pause the video and write it down or say it. 5, 13, and 8. Let's see if we can make 4 math problems, 4 math sentences using these numbers. We can do 5 plus 8 equals 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And 13 minus 5 equals 8. Okay, now let's try a really hard one. You might need to make a special number line for this. Or if your parents have a tape measure which will have big numbers on it, you can try this. So we can do 12 plus 15 equals 27. 15 plus 12 equals 27. 27 minus 15 equals 12. 27 minus 12 equals 15. Now we haven't done big problems like these yet, and the subtraction is a little bit more difficult than the addition. But remember, if we know the addition problem, or once we learn it, we can figure the other ones out right away. Now let's see who's really up for the challenge. And you can bring mom or dad or a big brother or sister or a grandparent or a friend into the room to see if they can do it. We have these numbers 11, 6, 4, 10, and 5. Can you use some of these numbers to create a fact family? Can you do it? I'm not going to give you the answer because I think you can figure it out. Remember, don't use all of them. The end.